Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be naming weather in Sepedi. So we're going to be doing weather vocabulary in Sepedi. So without the waste of time, let's get right into our today's video. So the first one we have sunny. It's sunny today. Le hono letjatji le hlabile. It's sunny today. Le hono letjatji le hlabile. It's cloudy. Ho na le maru. It's rainy. Pula e ana. It's rainy. Pula e ana. There is thunder and lightning. Ho na le magadima. There is thunder and lightning. Ho na le magadima. There is a rainbow. Ho na le molalatladi. There is a rainbow. Ho na le molalatladi. It is cold. Ho a tonya. It is cold. Ho a tonya. It is hot. Ho a fisha. It is hot. Ho a fisha. It is windy. Ho na le moya. It is windy. Ho na le moya. It is snowy. Ho na le lehlwa. It is snowy. Ho na le lehlwa. It is dry. Ho omile. It is dry. Ho omile. There is a fog. Ho na le phuka. There is a fog. Ho na le phuka. So that's it for our today's video. So I'll see you in there. So that's it for our today's video. So make sure to not forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next video.